Paying T-Mobile bill after cancellation. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to pay T-Mobile bill after cancellation. So let's get started. You can pay through online. For this, visit T-Mobile's official website and log in with your account number. Then select Make Payment, enter the amount and date. Then choose your payment method. You can choose between credit, debit card or bank transfers and then submit. For phone users, call T-Mobile customer service and provide your account details to process the payment. If you want to do it in person, then visit a T-Mobile store and inform the representative that your service is cancelled and make the payment on site. And if you want to do it or you are an equipment installment plan user, device payments continue after service cancellation. If closing the entire account, the remaining EIP balance will be charged in full on the final bill. Disable AutoPay. Canceling your account does not automatically stop AutoPay, so disable it separately if needed. And that's how you will be able to pay T-Mobile bill after cancellation.